YEA boss Malik Basintale ene abetro ensem be ya to no social media page in so abusia Facebook ochemu abusia. There are new opportunities on the way coming. Jegwadem for something in Ansomo. Why is he saying that, and what is the reason behind his tweets on Facebook? I'm going to take you through whatever he just wrote on his page. And to Jegwadem for something in Ansomo by subscribing to our platform on YouTube and follow us on all the social media handles at Kama Studios, and I go by the name Sticky the Superstar, your favorite and the youngest content creator in your country. Now this is what Malik Basintale wrote on his Facebook page. He said, "Play abroad. A game changer to secure foreign club slot for young and ambitious footballers coming soon on the YEA platform." Abusuya Malik Basintale, since he was appointed as a youth and employment agency boss, Abusuya, he has been working 24-hour economy 24/7. This young man, when NDC was in a position, he was bashing these MVP, communicators on radio and TV stations left and right, left and right, left and right. So Ghanaians were expecting, say, if His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and his party comes into power, Malik Basintale and then Sam George, they should be given a position whereby Ghanaians can watch them. And she said no, they weren't doing the talking alone, but they can do the job. So when NDC came into power and His Excellency John Dramani Mahama appointed Sam George as communications minister, what I say, and then he also appointed YEA Malik Basintale as YEA boss. Ghanaians have been watching them closely, because when they was in opposition, forget, the government isn't performing. Why is it that the country is so hard? Why is it that Ghanaians are unemployed? Why is it that data is expensive? So some judge they were receiving it that what I say, Ghanaians were in top. Now they in top. Your party is in government for like 6 months. Data is still expensive. And you are there making excuses. George Bayano said that if we are talking some data cement, Charlie, if we are talking, say data is expensive when I was in a position, but right now I'm into government. So, and government has also appointed me into the sector that I was complaining. So why, we are still complaining. And I said that the 1st July data, the prices are stable, but the megabyte or the gigabyte has increased. So we are waiting 1st July and see if it is going to take effect. Malik Basintale too has been appointed as YEA boss, and he's also working. And that one day we cannot underrate his working ability, because for those of us who work in a cafe, we know whatever we are saying. Because when you go to their portal, each and every day, fire service assistant, that one day it was there already. Fire service assistant, community assistant, they are there. Working abroad, these things have been popping up, has been popping up always and all time. And this time around, he said that a game changer is on the way coming. They are securing a foreign football club slot in the YEA portal. So we are young and ambitious for footballer. I say locally, and I say within Africa. Now, ebia over talent. Now there is going to be a portal on the YEA site. What I say. So when you go there, you apply. You just fill your forms, and then you just print. You do the printout and you go. After you started your home background inquiries. He stays at Cam Junction, east, western, north. Okay, yeah. Now I question background that day. Okay, this guy is really good. And if this thing is able to come, imagine see it means security per 5 in each region. Imagine the 16 regions. Small, we'll be moving forward. So I think this is a good news coming from Malik Basintale. He just tweeted this yesterday, and I have to bring it to your concern. Whatever Malik Basintale is trying to tell Ghanaians, hi, Kama Studios. If it is the first time coming across on our platform, then I'll urge you to subscribe to our platform on YouTube and follow us on all the social media handles at Kama Studios. As I said earlier, your favorite and the youngest content creator. Finally out.